Ejiogbe battles with death. It is now clear that Ejiogbe suffered at the hands of every imaginable enemy, because he was committed to defending objective good. He faced conflicts with laypeople, priests, his own family, his divine siblings, and even the king. Finally, it was Death's turn to confront him in battle. The name of the Awo, who performed divination for him on this occasion, was Iku ki n'ile Olodumare. Arun ki ja n'ile Olodumare. Ejiogbe was told that he would die before the year ended unless he made a sacrifice of 200 bells and a male goat to Èṣù. The bell will always ring because it does not die. 2 Awas prepared the bell so that Ejiogbe could ring it every morning. Thanks to this, he was able to survive until the end of that year, and even beyond. This is the type of sacrifice performed when Ejiogbe appears in divination and foretells the inquirer's death. The second confrontation with death. When Death saw that Ejiogbe had survived the year, it devised another plan to end his life within 7 days. As soon as Death reaffirmed its wicked strategy, Ejiogbe had a dream that night in which he saw death hovering around him. He quickly summoned one of his substitutes to perform divination on his behalf. The Awo, named Una Oke Rororu Muta, told him that Death had marked him to be sacrificed within 7 days. He was advised to make a sacrifice with a male goat, a rooster. 20 kola nuts, the male goat and the rooster were to be offered to Èṣù-Èlégbá, and for 20 days, he had to break one of the 20 kola nuts for Ifa. As he pressed the broken kola nuts over the sacred Ifa seeds, Ikin, he was to recite, "Let me live to break kola nut for Ifa the next day. Whoever presses kola nuts for Ikin shall never die." In the end, Ejiogbe lived for another 50 years,